Hey there, future course creators! Ready to dive into the world of online courses? Transform your knowledge into a thriving online business. No need to be a tech whiz. We're creating AI-powered courses that run themselves. Imagine waking up to new sales. Passive income means putting in the work upfront. Ready to take the leap? Let's make your passive income dreams a reality. First things first, let's find your sweet spot in the online course market. This is where your passion and profitability collide. Start by brainstorming topics you're knowledgeable about. What lights you up? Now, it's time to bring in the AI magic. Tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public can reveal what people are searching for online. See what's trending in your area of expertise. This is crucial for validating your course idea. Now that you have a clear niche, it's time to structure your course for success. Start by defining your course objectives. What specific outcomes will your students achieve after completing your course? Be crystal clear about the transformation you're offering. Next, break down your course into bite-sized modules. Each module should cover a specific topic and build upon the previous one. Think of it like chapters in a book, guiding your students step by step towards their goals. AI can be a game changer in this process. Use AI-powered tools to help you organize your thoughts, generate content ideas, and even suggest relevant resources. Tools like ChatGPT can help you flesh out your modules and ensure a logical flow of information. Remember, a well-structured course is key to keeping your students engaged and motivated. When they can follow along easily and see their progress, they're more likely to stick with it until the very end. It's time to bring your course content to life. This is where your expertise shines through. But don't worry, you don't have to be a master writer or video editor to create high-quality content. AI is here to assist you every step of the way. Use AI-powered writing assistants to help you craft compelling scripts, presentations, and downloadable resources. These tools can help you improve your writing clarity, grammar, and overall readability. They can even suggest relevant statistics and examples to make your content even stronger. But it's not just about the words. Incorporate multimedia elements to create a truly engaging learning experience. Use AI-powered video editing software to create professional-looking videos. Add music, transitions, and even animation with just a few clicks. And don't forget about interactive elements. Incorporate quizzes, polls, and downloadable worksheets throughout your course. These elements keep your students actively involved in the learning process and help reinforce their understanding. Plus, they add a fun and engaging element to your course. Lights, camera, action, bringing your course to life. Now that you have your content ready, it's time to choose the right tools to bring it all together. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this happen. There are plenty of user-friendly options available. For video recording, you can start with the basics. Your smartphone or computer's built-in camera can work wonders if you have good lighting. Invest in an external microphone to ensure high-quality audio. Clear audio is crucial for a professional-sounding course. If you're comfortable being on camera, consider incorporating talking head videos. This personal touch can create a stronger connection with your students. Remember, people connect with people. Let your personality shine through. For screen recordings and presentations, tools like Camtasia or Loom are incredibly helpful. They allow you to capture your screen while narrating, making it easy to walk your students through software tutorials or presentations. Choosing the perfect platform for your course. With your course content ready, it's time to choose a platform to host and sell it. There are several fantastic options, each with its own strengths and pricing. Platforms like Thinkific and Teachable are user-friendly and feature-rich. They handle hosting and payments, offering a seamless experience. Kajabi offers advanced features like email marketing and a website builder but is pricier. Consider your budget, skills, and needed features. Sign up for free trials to explore platforms before deciding. Once chosen, create a compelling course page. This is your digital storefront, so make it count. Use high-quality images, captivating headlines, and a clear call to action. Highlight course benefits and what students will gain. Make a great first impression to entice potential students. Marketing magic, getting students through the door. Your course is ready to shine, but now you need to spread the word and attract eager students. This is where your marketing hat comes on. But don't worry, you don't need a huge budget or marketing degree to make a splash. Start by building an email list. Your email list is your most valuable asset for connecting with potential students. Offer a valuable lead magnet to entice people to subscribe. Social media is your friend. Establish a presence on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Share valuable content, engage with followers, and run targeted ads. Consider collaborating with influencers or partners in your niche. This can help you tap into new audiences. Look for win-win partnerships to cross-promote. Effective marketing is about building relationships and showcasing your course's transformation. Be authentic, be passionate, and watch your student base grow. Keep the momentum going, monitoring and optimizing. Congratulations on launching your AI-powered course. Monitor its performance and make adjustments along the way. Keep an eye on key metrics like traffic, conversion rates, and engagement. Ask for feedback and use it to refine your content. Adapt and improve over time for long-term success. Level up your income diversification and beyond. As your course starts generating passive income, think about diversifying your income streams. This not only creates multiple revenue streams, but also provides stability to your online business. Consider creating additional courses that complement your existing one. You can offer advanced levels, explore related topics, or even create mini courses focusing on specific skills. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities. Recommend relevant products or services to your students and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate links. This is a great way to monetize your audience and provide them with valuable resources. Think about launching a membership site. This provides ongoing value to your students and creates a recurring revenue stream for your business. You can offer exclusive content, community forums, and monthly Q&A sessions to keep your members engaged. Remember, diversification is key to building a sustainable and thriving online business. By exploring different income streams, you create multiple avenues for success and ensure your financial future is secure. Your journey to passive income starts today. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to create AI-powered courses that generate passive income. Remember, the world of online courses is your oyster. Don't be afraid to experiment, innovate, and let your creativity shine through. Building a successful online course takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. Embrace the journey, celebrate your wins, and never stop learning. Now, go out there and make your mark on the world, one course at a time.